Welcome everyone to the Brad Nail Blowout. A lot of us have pneumatic brad nailers. They're just so darn handy. I've had this guy probably 20 years. Brad nails, what we're talking about is these little buggers, the little wire brad nails. Sometimes, no matter how careful you are, you get one that blows out the side of your workpiece, and you got to figure out how to undo that, because that just ain't gonna fly. Working on the tray project, I had a blowout right here. Kapow! That does not look good. Now you're asking, hey, that fella's right there in the corner. How are we going to get after that? Well, traditionally, a lot of times a guy would just want to grab these guys, the nippers, and you would grab a nail and you'd give it a roll back or forth, and if you use the right pressure, a lot of times a traditional nail you can remove. Well, that ain't gonna work. That. Not gonna dig into there, try and pull it out that way. So what I'm gonna try and do here and give it a shot, we're gonna take our needle nose plier and get in here. See if we can just wiggle it enough, break it off. Well, that did indeed break it off, but we still got a nubbin, unfortunately, and that ain't gonna fly with the little ones using these trays. So I'm going to take a nail set and I'm going to tap it to recess it back into the wood. Granted, that's kind of an ugly divot, but that's what we got. And as I'm in the finishing process, I'll try and get a little putty in there. Alrighty. Good luck with all of your Brad nailing adventures. Feel free to like and follow. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.